There are several ways to move or copy cells in Excel. Here are a few to get you started. First, move cells by dragging and dropping. Select some cells. Point to the border of the selection. When the pointer becomes a move pointer, drag the cells to another location. Second, move cells by using cut and paste. Select some cells. Select Cut or press Ctrl+X. A dotted line indicates the cells have been cut. Select where you want to move the cells. Select Paste or press Ctrl+V. Third, copy cells by using Copy and Paste. Select some cells. Select Copy or press Ctrl+C. Select where you want to copy the cells. Select Paste or press Ctrl+V. Good work!